What is going on, API Explorers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about Google pay-per-click ads and how you can leverage their Google display advertisement portal to run a video retargeting ad. So this weekend I've gone ahead and shot my Super Bowl commercial. You can see that here, so we'll hit replay. Here it is. And basically what it is just a short video about 50 seconds long that I'm going to leverage to try and drive attraction to my website. So now that I have this uploaded, basically all I need is the YouTube link up in the YouTube search bar, or you can grab that from this share button right here. You can go ahead and copy it. And now we're going to head into my Google Ads Display Center. So we're going to start and we're going to click on Create, and we're going to click on Create a Campaign. And we're going to label this something like, once we get there, of course, we're going to, our goal here is website traffic, right? That I want to drive traffic to my website, get them to sign up and register on my website. I'm going to remove most of these here. I don't need these conversions. I don't want phone calls or anything like that. I mainly want website registrations. So then once we're done there, there's an option right here that says reach viewers on YouTube and get conversions. That's the one we want. We're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to click on continue. And then basically all I need to do now is give this a name. So we could say something like Super Bowl ad. We could also go ahead and maximize our conversion as our bid strategy, and we're going to run this at $8 a day, or maybe let's just say like $10 a day. You could see how many available impressions there are to be made based off that budget. And this might not be relevant or actually based off your budget, but you can see how many impressions there are to be made based off of this demographic, right? So there's a lot of impressions. Are you looking for a great way to get referrals, reviews, and get more repeat sales with direct mail? Thanks.io is a really cool tool that I've been using in my personal real estate business to help me farm and help me prospect new interest from homeowners in selling their home this year. It's a good tool because it's handwritten postcards that get sent directly to their mailbox and have call to actions on these postcards, of which you get to drive traffic to whichever website or landing page you so choose to. Thanks.io, sign up today, link in the description down below. Impressions to be made on these weekly estimates. You could add site links. This will actually get your conversions up a little bit more. And basically what a site link is, it's an additional drop down or option on your advertisement that a user can click. So some common practices that I've used these for in the past are to basically add things like niche or local areas. So I might do like Garden Ridge homes for sale, and I might do shirts homes for sale, and I might do Converse homes for sale, and just have those go to a different landing page or squeeze page in general. And then I don't do anything with audiences here. All I need to do now is just go ahead and take that YouTube link of which I've copied. You can see how it prompts up here. We'll also do our website final destination. So let me just prop open my website really fast. And I'm going to do a website search. We're going to go ahead and say San Antonio. And let me see what the registrations is set to. So that's perfect 3. So we'll just go ahead and copy this. You could also go into your KV Core and build a squeeze page if you so please to. But we'll go ahead and do that. And there's the beginning of my ad. So my call to action will look like something like learn more, right? So we'll go ahead and put that as my call to action. You could also type in your own text here if you want to as well, but you're limited to 10 characters, so just to be very aware. Now my headline would be San Antonio homes for sale, right? Or my San Antonio, let's see here, we'll actually do start your search. A little bit too long, so 15 characters here. So let's just say, are you ready? Question mark, there we go. And then we could say start your home search with our easy to use realist website. And you could add more descriptions, right, if you want to. You could add and upload images and give this ad a name, because you can add multiple ads into a campaign. So if you have multiple videos, you could put them all into the same campaign. Now, if you want to preview this, just go ahead and click on preview on YouTube. And they just took it away because I don't have a description here. So let's say 24/7 at MLS access, see new listings, and find the perfect home. There you go. Normally it will let you see a preview here, so if I click here, you'll see the ad pop up. There's my ad. You could see my the audio. You could see my call outs here, and they can go ahead and click on learn more. Now, this is probably not the best placement, so I might actually end up moving my logo here in the background so that they could actually go to and see the logo there, right? I can't have it covered, so I might put the logo up here in the top left corner just for compliance reasons. But once you're done with that, you'll just go ahead and click on publish or create campaign, and you're all set. You're all ready. It'll go through Google Ads review. And then you are up and running. So anybody that has or matches your audience will see your retargeting or YouTube ads prompted up here. Very quick and easy to actually set up. So hopefully you found this video useful. Like always, if you like what you're seeing, click the like and subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to be notified when I drop future content. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.